Imagine stepping into a spacecraft that feels more like a private jet than a science lab. Leather seats, touchscreen controls, panoramic windows, all floating 400 kilometers above Earth. But who's truly leading this new era of luxury in space? The Russians or the Americans? Today, we dive into the most fascinating competition in modern space history: space information and technology with luxury. Russians versus Americans. From the rugged precision of Russia's Soyuz to the futuristic elegance of SpaceX and NASA, this is where science meets sophistication. It all began during the Cold War, a time when the Soviet Union and the United States turned the sky into their battleground. Sputnik versus Explorer, Gagarin versus Armstrong. The Russians were first to send a human into space, but the Americans were first to put one on the moon. But after decades of rivalry, something changed. Competition turned into collaboration. The International Space Station, built by both nations, became a symbol of peace and a laboratory of the future. Yet, behind the teamwork, a new silent race continued. The race for innovation, technology, and now, luxury. Russia's space legacy is built on simplicity and reliability. The Soyuz capsule, used since the 1960s, is like the AK-47 of space travel. Rugged, reliable, and unstoppable. It's not fancy, no touchscreens, no plush interiors, but it gets the job done, every time. Russian engineers prioritize survival and precision over comfort. To them, space isn't a vacation, it's a mission. However, even Russia couldn't ignore the new wave of luxury-driven exploration. The Federation spacecraft, also known as Orel, promises a more elegant future. Sleeker designs, digital dashboards, and improved comfort for future space tourists. Across the ocean, the Americans took a different path. Space exploration became a blend of high technology and private enterprise. SpaceX's Crew Dragon capsule looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Touchscreen controls, modern seats, LED lighting, and even smooth music during launch sequences. It's not just a spacecraft, it's the Tesla of the skies. Then there's Blue Origin's New Shepard, offering short suborbital flights for wealthy tourists. Its massive windows give passengers the best view money can buy: Earth from the edge of space. For the Americans, space isn't just about survival. It's about experience, innovation, and yes, a touch of luxury. Luxury in space isn't about gold-plated seats. It's about intelligent design. Comfort and safety powered by cutting-edge technology. Both nations use AI to monitor flight systems, biodata, and oxygen levels. American capsules like Crew Dragon use machine learning to auto-dock with the ISS. Meanwhile, Russian engineers rely on decades of analog precision. Simple systems that never fail, even in the toughest conditions. And with luxury comes responsibility. Everything in space must serve a purpose. Every seat, every screen, every curve is designed for survival in the harshest environment known to humankind. The next decade will redefine what it means to travel in space. Russia plans new orbital stations and advanced capsules. The US aims for Mars missions and lunar hotels. Companies like Axiom Space are designing luxury modules for the ISS, complete with private cabins and panoramic glass domes. Soon, space won't just be for astronauts. It will be for explorers, innovators, and dreamers. And while the Russians bring heritage and discipline, the Americans bring innovation and style. Together, they're shaping the future of space living. So, who do you think leads the new age of space luxury? The Russians with their timeless engineering, or the Americans with their futuristic elegance? One thing's for sure, space is no longer just about reaching the stars. It's about living among them in style. If you enjoyed exploring the world of space information and luxury technology, hit that like button, subscribe for more cosmic stories, and turn on notifications, because next time we're going even deeper into the universe.